Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce ravioli. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, cook ravioli until al dente, then drain. Meanwhile, melt butter in a pan, whisk in flour to form a roux, slowly add warm milk until smooth, and simmer to thicken. Toss ravioli in the sauce, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with parmesan and chopped parsley for a comforting meal. Gather ingredients and prep everything before heating the pan. Mise en place saves time and stress. Cut butter into pieces so it melts evenly, and warm the milk slightly to avoid lumps when added to the roux. Keep a small cup of pasta water ready to loosen the sauce if it gets too thick. Taste and adjust salt, then add parmesan gradually so the sauce becomes silky and cohesive. Keep the heat low and whisk continuously when making the white sauce to maintain a smooth texture. If the sauce thickens too much, add a splash of reserved pasta water to reach the desired consistency without thinning the flavor. Cook ravioli gently and handle carefully to avoid tearing. Fold the cooked ravioli into the sauce rather than stirring aggressively. Finish with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of extra parmesan for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.